So, good morning class. We are going to tackle about cheer dance. So, may alam ba kayo about sa cheer dance? So, if kung wala, produce tayo sa introduction. Cheer dance, a dynamic and high energy performance that combines elements of cheerleading, gymnastics, stunts, and dance. So, binubuo ang cheer dance ng cheerleading, gymnastics, stunts, and dance. Cheer dance is more than just entertainment. It is a discipline that promotes physical fitness, teamwork, coordination, and performance excellence. Ang cheer dance, hindi lang siya for entertainment. It is a discipline that promotes physical fitness at, at teamwork, coordination, and performance excellence. So ano nga ba ang cheer dance? Cheer dance is a blend cheerleading and dance routine performed to motivate audience and support team. Kailangan natin ng masayang cheer dance to motivate audience and support team. Team nyo. So this is our elements of cheer dance. The first one is motions. So kailangan natin ng motions to express and jumps, tumblings, and stunts. So magkasama yung tatlo na yan. Sakop ng stunts yung tumbling and jumps. So, dance choreography, formation, and transition. So, kailangan natin ng formations and transitions para makabuo tayo ng mga iba-ibang stance. So, dito tayo sa skills needed, strength and flexibility. So, ang strengths, kailangan natin siya kapag magbubuhat tayo ng mga flyers po. And ang flexibility, kailangan natin siya sa mga stance na natin gagawin. So, and rhythm and coordination. So, kailangan natin ng coordination to balance, to coordinate our team. So, dito papasok ang teamwork and leadership. So, kailangan natin ng teamwork and leadership para kailangan may mamumuno dun sa ating cheer dance. So, kailangan din natin ng confidence. Kasi ang cheer dance, piniperform siya sa maraming tao and kailangan natin ng discipline, endurance and agility. So kailangan natin ng endurance. Siyempre, hindi naman siya sobrang daling sayaw, is kailangan niya siya endurance kasi nakakapagod. Kumbaga, kailangan malakas yung endurance mo dito and agility. So, ano nga ba ang benefits ng cheer dance? Ang cheer dance is improve fitness and flexibility. Kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, nakakatulong siya to enhance our flexibility and fitness. Second one is enhance teamwork and communication. Na-enhance nito ang teamwork kapag sumasayaw tayo ng cheer dance and cheer dance. Na-enhance din nito ang communication. The third one is encourage creativity and expression. So, ano yan, Michael?
So, yung encourage and creativity and expression po, isa sa benefits ng cheer dance dahil na-encourage tayo na gumawa ng creativity para sa ating mga routine. Tsaka yung sa expression po para ma-express natin yung sarili natin habang tayo ay gumagawa ng routine na cheer dance.
So,
Then yung promote school pride and unity po dahil minsan kapag tayo ay nakikipag-compete sa ibang school, natataas natin yung pride ng school natin sa pamagitan ng magiging panalo. At unity, sa pagiging pagkakaisa natin, mapapanalo natin yung cheer dance. Yan lang po.
Salamat, Michael. So, the last one is promotes school pride and unity. So, Sa cheer dance is dala-dala natin yung pangalan ng school. Pangalan ng school is ano, dala-dala natin yung pangalan ng school kapag sumasayaw tayo ng cheer dance. Siyempre, ayun yun. Ano ulit, boy? So, dito tayo sa conclusion. Cheer dance is a powerful blend and athleticism and artistry and school spirit. So, ang cheer dance is kung isa kang athleticism, like yung marunong kang, kumbaga, ability mo na malakas kang tumalon or marunong kang mag-tumbling. At sa artistry is yung kailangan yung, kumbaga, parang na-express mo yung sinasayaw mo sa cheer dance. Kumbaga, ano siya, may motion siya na na-express mo yung sayaw, like na kung masaya is na-express mo na napapakita mo na masaya yung na sayaw na ginagawa mo. So, thank you. So, paki-screenshot na lang to for attendance and send to our GC.